Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to work on supports for your fence. So last video I determined I probably need 3 supports to make the corner for Lohomora for her setup. And in my book, How to Dressage for Model Horse Arena, I have 2 different types of supports for the fencing, and I'm going to do this one here for the 1 to 1 1/4 inch balsa wood. So you only make however many you need. Here's the balsa wood. It's really very nice and thick. Should be relatively easy to cut, and I just have to make sure. This is actually, that would be 8. Sorry. That would be 8. We don't need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I only need 3. So I can get 2 in here for sure. And for illustration purposes, because I already have fence supports, I'm going to show you how to make 1. Now this guy's gonna need to be sanded really good. But I want the straight edge there and the straight edge there. You can use whatever blade you like. Okay, there you go. It's not my best. Could sand it some more, paint it some more, but I really needed to use a saw to cut this out. But it'll work. I mean, this is the only thing that's really gonna be seen with the poles in there. But you get an idea of how it comes together. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell all your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.